That's one. Uncharted territory, guys. What's going on, guys? We are about to jump into the truck, and this is ridiculous. Today the high is like 73 degrees in February. I know, right? But let me break down a couple things before we get there, because when I get there, I'm ready to fish. First off, it's been 3 or 4 consecutive days of super warm weather. Our weather has been horrible down here, but it is now warm. Guys, I'm gonna bring out the Buzz Jet today. I don't think I'm gonna catch a fish on top water, but I gotta give it a shot. Also, the new moon occurred a couple days ago, which the bass should be feeding, and we got rain coming in tomorrow. So we got new moon 2 days ago, got rain coming in tomorrow. This lines up to be epic. Somebody gonna catch a big fish today, I hope. Let's go. We got one already, huh? Decent one, man. Nice little fish.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take that any day of the week.
That's right.
Nice catch. It's almost like the river.
Oh, yeah.
We just had a blow up over here, guys. I'm trying to see how far I can get out on the sandbar. We are pushing the limits. Try to get one of these fish that I saw blowing up earlier. If this is a fish, oh, it's a good big fish, man. But yeah, it's a big fish. This is a really big fish. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Oh, solid fish, man. That's a fat, cold fish, man.
Oh, yeah.
It is fat and cold.
He's eating too.
Look at that, guys. This fish has definitely been eating. Hey, I would take it. Got one? Nice, man. Oh yeah, I'm fighting hard over here. Not current. It's another good one, man. If we was tournament fishing, we have a nice little bag going on over here. That's one. Yep.
Oh,
fat one, man.
Good fish, right there.
That's an even better one.
Easy killer.
Come on, dude. You got multiple hooks in you. Yeah. Don't do it. I knew that was about to happen. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's a solid one, man.
Oh, yeah. The other one was a little heavier.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not a bad fish at all, man.
That's a good fish right there.
Hit it right off the little break right here.
Lipless on.
Absolutely, man. This fish had both hooks. Wasn't going anywhere. They are cold, but they're fat though.
Lip red on it.
Not as much as the other one. But it's definitely a cold, fat fish, man. Uncharted territory, guys. Guys, I can't tell if this is a carp or a bass. If I see it, let's see. Oh, that's a fish. That's a good fish. Got him. It's a dark bass, right? Oh, there's a dark one right here, man. Oh yeah. He ate it too, man. Nice little dark bass, guys. These bass are fat and heavy right now. I saw a bigger fish over there, so I'm gonna throw back over there. This fish ate this Lipless Crankbait. So after a couple of casts, something clicked. It was like, you know what, man? Earlier, you were casting from the sandbank. So we're on a different bank. This time, I was like, you know what? Let's cast towards the sandbank. Hit him from a different angle. And this is what happened. Whoa. Whoa, this fish hit out of nowhere, man. Just a mad little one, man. Look at this dude. Hit it right at the bank. Reaction strike. What a mad little fish, man.
Good little fish.
Oh, yeah.
Chubby little thing.
Hit it like a ton of bricks, man. A mad, aggressive little bass. This thing is ice cold, man. Really.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, that's super cold. I was definitely surprised that time. That was definitely a fun day of fishing. I love to catch them on moving baits, and it worked out. Power fishing is my thing. Now, just a couple of things to recap everything. First off, we had a pre-faunic condition because tomorrow it's actually supposed to rain, so that was great. It was a couple of days after the new moon, which fish were feeding, and also we had like 3 or 4 consecutive days of warm weather, so everything came together and lined up. So thank God to the big man above for those great conditions and allowing me to catch some fish. Next, shout out to Brandon, man. My dude actually went out in the water in his boots and still got out there and caught fish. I mean, props to him, man. I had on boots, but they were rubber boots. They were waterproof. So big shout out to you, Brandon. You're a trooper. And also, Kim, man, thanks for that Lipless Crankbait. That was the winner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next episode. Tight lines.